and gentlemen.
All right, guys. So break 8. 2 boxes. Stinson, Sky Blue. Davy Garcia, Speckle. Peyton Burdick to $4.99 for the Marlins. Julio Rodriguez, Sky Blue. That's a nice card. No, not yet. Not in Bowman draft. Ethan Small, purple paper. Blade refractor. Nice card. All right. So 1 auto down, 5 to go. I hate hitting box stoppers. Even the autos, I don't like hitting them. I mean, if it has to be a box stopper, I prefer it be an auto, but given a choice, I would hit neither. I want to hit a super box stopper, though. I've never done that. Denya Reyes. Brett Batty. Ryan Garcia for the Rangers to 99. All right, I think this next pack is it's either this next pack or the pack after is the middle auto. I try not to pay attention too much, so I could be wrong. It might end up being this one, but oh, look at there. Wander Franco. Evan Edwards, Desan Brown. All right, I think I just moved the auto out of the way. I think. Christian Javier, Sky Blue, Astros. Nick Quintana, Sky Blue. Bryson Stott refractor. Glenn Allen Hill, purple. Nope, I hate to ship them. I'd really hate to ship them international. Adley refractor, that's a nice card. Blue paper, MJ Melendez. Josh Wolf. Daniel Espino, Indians. Gold paper, Sean Jelly, and Doxicus. No color autos yet. Let's hit some color. Uh-oh. We might have a bonus. No, it's not a bonus. Cody Hose and Black. Nice. To 75. B. Hunter Bishop. It is for the Giants. Big, big, big hit right there. That's a monster hit for the Giants. Who's got the Giants? Damn. Too legit baseball. Well, you, sir, are too legit to quit. That is incredible. Very, very, very nice card. Yeah, I suppose I could put them all together. I don't know. Very, very big hit. Still got 2 packs left. I don't know him. Too legit. Baseball is his username. Josh Wolf. Josh Wolf auto for the Mets. Yeah. Uh-oh. CJ Abrams. 299. Nice card. Very, very nice. Didn't make the photo, but that's okay. Very, very nice. CJ Abrams. Nice Padres hit right there. I don't know who has the Padres. Strangulation. No idea who that guy is. He's got a crazy username. Cody Hose, Sean Jelly, Josh Wolf, Adley Refractor, Glenn Allen Hill, Christian Javier, Ryan Garcia, Denny Reyes, JJ Bleday Refractor, Julio Rodriguez, Sky Blue, Davey Garcia, and Stinson. Then we have CJ Abrams to 99. Very nice card. Josh Wolf for the Mets. Hunter Bishop to 75 for the Giants. John Doxicus, Espino, and Peyton Burdick to 499. Very good case. Or boxes, anyway. And that is break 8. Yeah, Ozzie Canseco. Sure. You know, he got busted recently. They did a wrestling match or a boxing match, and Jose Canseco was supposed to appear. And they sent Ozzy instead. And the people running it figured it out because of the tattoos. They have different tattoos. I thought it was funny, but yeah, anyway. Saving your video.